What is up, A team? Welcome back. Awesome here. Hope everyone's having an awesome day, or not, depending on where you're at, but I hope it is awesome. And yes, we are back at it today. I was off yesterday. I know a lot of people were wondering what the heck happened. Why are we not streaming? But I'm back today. We're here to talk about the markets. We had a lot actually unfold yesterday with the FOMC meeting. We had obviously some earnings coming out here. We've had some fluctuation in the markets. We had a crazy national disaster in the plane wreck that happened yesterday, which could affect a little bit in the markets here. We do have some downturn with the NASDAQ, obviously with some Microsoft earnings. We'll definitely go over the IBM positive earnings. There's a lot of things to talk about today. We'll obviously go over XRP, Xlm, Hbar. Things are looking great right now. It was nice to wake up and see green in the market. It's always nice to wake up and see your portfolio doing really well, especially after a nice little downturn that we had, which again, a lot of us were preparing for. A lot of us waited for that to happen. And the FOMC meeting wasn't as big of a dip as we thought. And it's because a lot of it had to do with the FOMC meeting coming out and basically pausing rates. I know some people were expecting there to be maybe some more positive news coming from the FOMC meeting, but I always kind of expect it to be the worst case scenario. And it kind of played out like that. So, yeah, nothing actually shocked me with the FOMC meeting. I put out tweets yesterday talking about this. And yeah, so let's jump into it here. As you guys can see right here, the market's actually up right now. We're up almost 3.12%, almost to 3.6 trillion again in terms of market cap. The last hour has been a little bit down. We just flipped the hour right here, so it's obviously a little bit in the red. But over the last 24 hours, we made a nice little storming comeback. A lot of cryptos out here have done very well. Stellar up 10%. It was up almost 13% earlier today. Sui's doing really good. Hedera's up about 5%. You know, even XRP right now sitting up about 2% over the last 24 hours. I mean, that's still good for a top crypto here. You know, and you got some other ones that are doing really well. So before we jump into all that, I want to say what's up to everyone in the chat here. Appreciate you guys all being here. I'm going to be scrolling fast. We got Autopops. We got Tad. What's up, buddy? We got Chris. We got Seiko Hunt in the house here. What's up, Seiko? We got Robert. What's going on, Robert? Toolbox. Good to see you. Good to see you. Who else we got here? We got Selmo Fudd. What's up, Selmo? We got Martin, Chameleon, Cloud. It's good to see everyone here. We got Viet. What's up, man? What's going on, dude? Let's see here. I'm still optimistic. XRP can get to 315 by September. Yeah, dude. Let's see here. Not a chance. Maybe you're right. What's up? What's up, Mark? What's going on, dude? Borishito, Jam. Yeah, we got a lot of great people in the house here already. We got Big Watch, dude. What's up, Big Watch, dude? Baddest cat ever. Yeah, let's jump into it now, guys. Sorry, I scroll pretty fast down through this. If I missed some of your names, realize I'll catch up to them later in the chat here. What's up, Xander Houston at the pub with a couple of friends? Dude, heck yeah, pub, man. That's pretty badass. But yeah, so here we are, stock market. Obviously, the NASDAQ's down about 28 points, which really isn't that bad when you think about it. I mean, 28 points down. The S&P 500 is doing okay, and the Dow is obviously up 127 points. So things are looking a little volatile across the board from earnings and things like that. We do got some big earnings coming today. As you guys can see right here, we do got Apple and we do got Visa at the end of the day. So we did have a MasterCard and some other ones come here today that actually did pretty damn well. So that's good. And let's see here. We also have what is the other one that was coming out here that I thought, oh yeah, UPS is going to be a big one that comes out here, that came out here today and did really well. So you can see a lot of these actually came out and did very good here. So Apple's probably the biggest one that we have. And you can see right here that this is actually a big one. So with the rates coming out yesterday, one of the big things I was worried about was going to be the pending home sales. So this is something that we got to watch out for because the housing crisis could be in full effect. We talked about a potential housing crisis or something where a housing market completely falls out, and we're starting to kind of see that. As you can see, pending home sales drop sharply. This will affect the overall market if we continue to see mortgage rates surge to 7% or higher. So this is just something I think people should watch out for, especially if you're into crypto, because this can affect markets. And anytime it affects markets, it will continue to affect that of crypto as well. So something to watch out for. But you can see right here, another big tech stock right up here. IBM rallies 12%. Best day since 2000, dude. That's 25 years that IBM's done that well in a day. So good to sort of see some of the tech stocks coming back here because, again, tech stocks do play a role in crypto. It seems like the NASDAQ follows that of crypto and vice versa. So those are all great things here. One thing I also want to talk about here today is the European Central Bank, which just does not surprise me at all. I'm going to be honest with you guys. This has surprised me at the least bit here, is that the Central Bank of Europe basically came out and said they will not include Bitcoin into their central bank reserves. As you guys know, Europe has become one of probably the most liberal, if not one of the most, against most things out there. And unfortunately, they're still against crypto and Bitcoin. So this is kind of a sad thing to sort of see, because this will, obviously they'll be left in the dust when things start to grow. However, you can see right here, the Czech Republic actually came back and said they're going to approve investing in Bitcoin as their reserve asset. So you're going to see a lot of people here in the next probably year determining whether they're going to include Bitcoin and or crypto inside of their reserves. And I'm actually kind of shocked as if this actually happens, you know what I mean? And I mean, it's good to see that America is on board with it at least. So Europe is horribly woke. Yeah, it's kind of gone crazy, right? It's kind of gone crazy a little bit. They're being poor. Europe has always completely fallen. Yeah, it's gone. I mean, I will admit the UK has gone a little. I mean, I've been to the UK one time. That was back in 2000. When was that? 2003. And yeah, it was a long time ago. So I don't really know what to expect over there. But I think things, based off news, it seems like it's been a little rough just with how they're running things. So kind of sad to sort of see. So there's those as well. Let's jump into the charts here. As you can see right now, Hbar is actually doing pretty good, up over 2.48%. This thing over the last hour has come down a little bit over the last couple hours, actually come down slightly. We can see right here, the last hour it came down, and now we're sitting around roughly 31.6. XRP, again, I've actually shifted my XRP over here to this low right here. We're going to continue to monitor this. This is technically actually looking pretty good. Anytime we get down to the 382 levels, it seems like we're actually building a nice little sideways. We're building sideways here, which is nice. We've already put out the thing yesterday. I think I still have it. So we'll probably trade sideways into February. So anyone that's anticipating that we're going to have a run, it could happen anytime. So be prepared for like a nice breakout. I think we are prepared for a nice little breakout here at some point. Again, you can consider this right here. This is pretty much an anomaly that happened here going down 265. You could have, if we were going to have another major dip, it would have been, at the FOMC meeting here, but you can see that we actually have done pretty well to be able to stay course right here. And so we roughly have about until I projected until about February 13th, based off previous history, that we're actually going to run. So that's still about 12 days away from where we're at, or actually it's more like 11 days from where we're at right now. No, I take that back. It's 15 days from where we're at. But again, that's just a projection. That's not saying that that's exactly when this breakout's going to happen. But it is nice to sort of see that we are trading sideways here. It's kind of looking very similar to what we're seeing right here. I mean, this is almost identical. Like, just look at what's happening here, guys. Right here is like almost like what happened right here. I mean, we saw this dip right here, which is this dip right here. We saw this dip right here, which is this dip right here. Now we're going to probably build downward again. We'll probably come around and play around this, like, right above this 236 area into the 382 level for XRP. And then hopefully have another breakout. That's kind of the goal here, is to create these new level, be able to build new levels here. We always want to continue to build new levels out to be able to reach the next level. So again, we're actually not creating newer lows, which is good. We're creating, we created a new high. So now the next goal is to create another high to build out of this. So that's what we're going to continue to watch out for and ride this out. So because if banks decide to use XRP, won't that mean they need to spend a lot of money? No, if banks use XRP, they're not going to use XRP. So I think people have So I think what it comes down to is that regardless of whatever asset you want to move across a blockchain, you want to move it fast, you want to move it efficiently, and you want to move it securely. Whether that's you want to move Bitcoin across it, whether that's what you want to use stablecoin, whatever it is that you want to move across the blockchain, realize that XRP is just the gas token or the gas coin that's going to be used, right? So just like when you use Ethereum, right? If I want to send Bitcoin across the Ethereum network, I'll use wrap Bitcoin, and then I'll use Ethereum to send it across the blockchain. And anything that's actually being sent across that blockchain has to be wrapped in whatever the coin is for that blockchain. So again, if they want to send $1 billion worth of RLUSD across the blockchain, RLUSD is wrapped in XRP. Like, you have to provide that liquidity. Again, on blockchains, you have a 1-for-1 ratio. So you have to have a 1-for-1, meaning that if you have one token, like you have just like, Awesome Austin coin, you have to have the exact same pairing for whatever this coin's worth has to have the same pairing to that of Ethereum. So that's kind of how it works. Lewis, thanks so much for the dollar donation. Appreciate that a ton. And welcome, my friend. Jonathan, thanks so much for gifting one membership to the A team. If Jonathan gifted you that membership, please say thank you to Jonathan. And that new person, welcome to the A team. What's your price predictions for the next levels? Yeah, we talked about the next levels here. We can obviously look at previous runs here. And, this next rally is going to be pretty damn good. Let's go back and we can look at the history of Bitcoin because, again, Bitcoin is kind of our history to go off of for rallies. So let's actually go back to the day chart here and make life easier for us. And you can see we've done the predictions here before. So let's go back into the predictions here. We've seen that Bitcoin dropped 19% out of inauguration day back in 2017. And then we rallied all the way through February. And right here around March 6th, we took a big nasty spill into for a sell-off. So let's actually run this and see where we actually went up to. We did a nice little we did a 100% return in Q1 of 2017. So, okay, we're going to say Q1 of 2017, we had a nice little run. That's after inauguration. So we went up 100% for Bitcoin back in there. So let's go back to, that was 2021. So let's go to 2022. We had another day. It's hard to say because this is inauguration day. It's a different turn here. And you can see we actually came down hot on the 20th there. And then we came back up again here in Q1. So let's actually measure that. Q1, and we went up about 50% in Q1 back in 2022. Let's go 23 now. We're going to go 23 is right here. So June, actually July. So here's the fall off. So we actually came up a little early there, but we came up roughly about another 47% in Q1 of 2023. So here we are in 2024. We're going to start back basically back here where the fall happened. So the low of the fall actually came back over here at 88,000. So this was actually a nice little fall of almost 18%. So 18%, 19% was back in 2021. So now we're going to say roughly about a 47% return in Q1. So we'll say about a 45% return. We're going to say about almost 130,000 for Bitcoin. Let's put it down here on 130,000. Let's mark this guy just for price predictions here. 130,000 Bitcoin, give or take, right? So that's what we're saying is going to be our next level for Bitcoin based off of previous runs. So we can actually see that 130 Bitcoin is about a 45% increase. We saw that back in 2021, we actually went up 100%. So that is on the table. If we actually said, okay, we're going to have the same rally as the one down before, we'll say 100% puts us at roughly, let me do my math here real quick. Sorry. We're going to put 100% will put us at roughly 178. So let's mark that one. Let's do 178 here. So those are the two levels, right? So if we go up 44%, which is the last 2 years, 2022 and 2023, we went up 45%. And then we did the 1 year, which is inauguration year, which is back in 2021. We went up 100% in Q1. So again, those are on the table here, but those are the levels of where we're at, right? 130 to 178, and that's a big gap. But I mean, if we go up 48%, which again, we can go back and look here, right here, we know that back in 2021, overall, the market, Bitcoin went up 36% in February, and then 29% here in March. But really about that 36%, 43% in 2024. Are we going to have another 43% here in February? That'd be nice to sort of see. So we'll see how it all works out. But that's kind of, I mean, quick math. If we had to just throw it out there real quick, that's kind of where I'm at, dude. Did you guys already talk about XCN? I have not. Can you share your YouTube video again on the Hbar ledger? Yeah, I'll have someone, Tad, I'll have someone put it in there for you. I'll have to find it real quick for you. Lewis, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Good day, brother. Do you know anything about Quebec's ticks? I do not. Do you trust it? I don't even know what that is, Lewis. I appreciate the $5, man, but I have no idea what that is. I don't even know where to begin looking that up. Aragon, thanks so much. Can you give your thoughts on Cardano? Cardano's, I mean, it's a slow moving crypto. I did hear something about potentially Trump picking it up for part of the reserves. I mean, that was out there in the news. I don't know whether that's true or not, but whatever. Awesome Austin coin, you heard him. You're funny, man. You're funny. Hey, who at the dojo? What's going on, man? Tony, what's going on, man? Good to see you, dude. Because you can't use other coins to run with Ripple Network. Yeah, I mean, you gotta use XRP to be. You gotta wrap it in XRP, right? Just like you would on the ledger. It's like, I mean, just to give everyone a quick understanding of this, if like you're new to crypto trying to figure out how a blockchain works, you go to the deck screener here, and you got to realize to get onto these decentralized things like XRPL, all of these tokens that are on the XRPL right here are wrapped in XRP. And if you don't believe me, you can just go right here. We'll just go right over here to Dex Tools, and everything has a pairing. So you go over here to Dex Tools, and you'll go over here. They have the XRPL, the X layer, the XRPL right here is what you want, and everything is slash. You can see right here it's slash. We'll go to Phoenix, right? Phoenix is the perfect one. You can see right here it says Phoenix / XRP. That means that every one of the Phoenix tokens is wrapped in XRP. You can even go look at their contract, and you can see what they have for it. And as you guys can see, I mean, anytime a payment comes in or a payment goes out, it's in XRP. So again, because there's the 1-for-1 pairing, and this is definitely crazy right here. How this that's pretty wild right here. But we can look at this transaction right here. So you can see right here that they converted roughly about, damn, dude, this is hard to see. Yeah, they have a transaction cost of 0.00001 XRP, but every one of these actually is detailed out as to what they actually spent in terms of XRP, right? Here's where it's at. Balance was this. Here's what they sent to XRP. Yeah, this one's this is the first time I ever looked at XRP's. This is a wild compared to that of ETH, but yeah, you're still gonna have to do the same thing. There's no difference at all. Franco Steen, thanks so much for the donation to the channel. Hey Austin, I'm new to crypto. I bought XRP at $3.06 USD. I have 6 XRP. Do you think I can gain any profit from it? Also, other crypto would you recommend? Yeah, if you're a beginner, I mean, 6 XRP puts you at what? Was that like 12 bucks? Or what is that? What is that at? Like $25? I think when you have that low of money invested, it's great that you started off, but I mean, you're probably to really get in there, you have to probably, I mean, at that low, you'd probably have to work your way up. You probably would have to do some leverage trading if you wanted to make some good money out of it, especially if you were doing like $20 here, $10 here. But if that's all you have, then it's a set it and forget it, kind of thing. But I definitely go probably invest in other ones too if you can, besides just XRP. So, and thanks so much for the donation. But yeah, you should definitely try to go diversify if you can. If you're new to crypto, you should be trying to diversify as much as you can. The fact on Discord has the Hbar video. Fan can help you. Okay, yeah, I don't know if he was an actual member. Jasmine's on a run today. Yeah, there's a lot of cryptos out there that are on a nice little run today, for sure. Nice little run today. With just crypto in general. It was nice, like I said, it was nice to wake up to and sort of see everyone probably that bought this nice little rally right here. This was a really, really good buy on anyone that jumped in right here. This is a really, really good purchase across the board, dude. Like, I mean, even yesterday, dude, this actually almost hit my other. So I had this one yesterday. I almost hit my trigger again. I had it at 29,380. I did not change. 29,300 is where I had it. And it almost hit again on my Hbar. And you can see right there, 29,280 is where I had it. And it definitely, 29,280 is where I had it. And almost hit, dude. Almost hit again. And I was like, dude, insane. So that even right there, if that actually hit again, be up roughly about almost an 8% since yesterday, which would be crazy. So I almost was so close to hitting that again. Let's see. Yeah, hello. Appreciate your sharing. No problem, Thomas. Appreciate you guys being here. Hi, Austin. Thoughts on any impact with CPI data tomorrow, or do you think we're likely going to see any pullbacks this week? I think we had our pullback. Like I said, we're going to have there's some stuff coming out here, but I think that as long as the data is coming in, I do feel that the actual data that came in from yesterday, I tweeted this out. I feel I was pretty on. I guess you could say it's kind of annoying in a way because I feel like a lot of it is, um, like 'cause Trump accuses the Fed Powell of creating inflation on the heels of rate. And it's like the economy is looking better and better. They came out and actually said that that they could have actually done a rate cut. Like inflation's actually looking good. But it says earnings are looking positive, unemployment is down, job creation's up, economy is looking better and better. Only thing wrong is the Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell's incompetence. I truly believe that, dude. This has nothing to do with anything else. They should have cut a long time ago here. But they didn't. You know what I mean? They waited and waited and waited. And it says right here, it says takes a less confidence view on inflation. However, they came out here and said that they could have lowered rates. That inflation actually wasn't as bad as they said. So honestly, I just think it's just disappointing to see for what it is. Banks, he come out and he talked about crypto, which is great, right? I'll give him that. That was cool, but I'm not really sweating it. I mean, I think that it's all smoke and mirrors. It's just a way to create entries into the market. That's what they did. But I think our economy is going to look good. I think here Q1 we're going to continue to do really well. I think we're going to have some price breakouts here in Q1. And I think anyone that's on the sidelines waiting, I feel, I hope that you guys are just ready, man. That's all I really have been pushing. So thoughts on light chain AI? I don't know if I know anything about it, dude. What's your opinion on having a bunch of $200 bags? I think if you're new to crypto, that's kind of what I did when I first started crypto. There were so many opportunities out there, and it's really hard to pick the ones that you like. It took me years to find the cryptos that I actually like and invest in, right? I mean, when I was new to crypto, years ago, I was out there I was out there buying a bunch. I had probably, 20 different cryptos that I was in. And during the bull market, like, dude, everything's running. Everything's running. It's going to be really hard for you to miss. And the only way you're going to miss is if you invest in a shitty project that's going to rug pull you. But if you're invested in like the top 10 cryptos, maybe in the top 150 cryptos, like again, you're setting yourself up. I mean, a bull run, everything's hitting, dude. It doesn't really matter. I mean, some might hit better than others. That's what it comes down to. But find the ones that you feel comfortable with and do what you think you need to do with it. The reason why I talk about XLM, Hbar, a lot of these other ones, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, because we were buying so long ago. It took me a long time to really realize the ones that bring value to me. And so obviously I'm going to talk about the ones that excite me the most and the ones that I have the most money involved in, because those are the ones that I believe will do really well in the markets. And again, what I believe doesn't necessarily mean that's what you should believe, but you should go find the ones that are best for you. And so doing that, you're going to have to probably go invest in the 20 different cryptos, have a bunch of different bags, and find the ones that you actually like, and do what's best. Dad, thanks so much for becoming a member again. I know you at one point you were. Definitely go join that Discord. There's a video in there. You can definitely jump in. So Vicenzo, thanks so much for becoming. Thanks so much for the $2 donation. What's your XRP prediction for the next rally? Probably up here. We'll do the same math, right? We can come back here and see that we've had nice little rallies here. We could, and it's hard to look back on the previous history with XRP because of the, it didn't really get to go through a full bull run, but if we're going to sit here and say that, this was a really big rally right here, but we could say probably starting Q1. Let's see, this is really hard to judge off of here, but we could actually probably go back. If we went up, Bitcoin went up roughly about, let's take the percentages off of this. So we'll say here, oops. Let's actually go to the day chart here, make it easier. We could say that during let's see, where's November 5th? Let's run it off November 5th and we'll run percentages here. So let's take a November 5th rally. We went up we're at roughly up 57%. So 50% rally. If we're at a 45% rally, 50% rally there, where are we at right here? That's about a 500%. Geez. So for every 50%, so if we're going to say 45%, that's a tough one, dude. To say that they're going to run that much again would be hard. I mean, that would increase it. That would almost double where we're at in just here. That's tough. I don't know, man. I might have to spend some more time on it, giving you a better price than me just throwing numbers at the wall here. I feel like that's kind of giving you a disservice. Because again, it's hard. What sucks about this is that they didn't go through a previous. Like, you could do it with Hbar, you could do it with XLM pretty easy. But since I guess we could look off previous history if we wanted to and just say that this is what it's going to be. But what sucks is that, like, Let's actually just do it. Let's just see what they were in 2021. It's hard because they were so suppressed. You know what I mean? It's hard to give a real number off of this. Um, we could look off. We could try to mess around with it, I guess. Here we actually rallied pretty good right here at the beginning of the year. So going into Q, we went all the way up 200% in 2021. From in February, we went up 200%. So that was in 2021, 2022. I mean, August, that was 2021. So then January 2022, we actually, I mean, I guess you could probably do this math again. We went up roughly about 60% in 2022. And then 2023. Yeah, 2023 in Q1, we went up roughly about, let's see here. 68%. So we're saying roughly on average about anywhere from probably about 68%. So let's just say that we went from like right here. We're already in Q1. So we gotta account for June. So we gotta account for this actually here. So where did June start? So about right here. Okay, so we went up about 61%, 68%. I mean, it's going to put us about 380, saying about 380, which again, that's a little, I mean, that's kind of low compared to wherever everything else is going. But if you want to say 68% from where we're at right now, I mean, it puts us at, well over $5. But yeah, so you're probably in that 4 to 450 range if you had to pull the numbers here. If you wanted to include the rally that we just took with that of XRP. That's a hard number, dude. But yeah, probably about anywhere from 450 to 5 would be cool if we got up to there here in Q1. Dude, Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Seiko gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Seiko. And those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys. I heard the SEC is deliberating on today behind closed doors. They probably are. SEC dropping lawsuit against today. Breaking news. That'd be cool if they did. I'd be honest with you. We are entering a new era. These governments dwellers are becoming more and more irrelevant. True. That's true. Austin heard a beard smoking mirrors. Austin's beard is smoking mirrors. MK, what's up, buddy? Good to see you, man. Yeah, I'm happy for everyone that's got into XCN, dude. Honestly, dude, I think anyone that got in there and's made money off it, like kudos to you guys, dude. Like that's, I hope you guys continue to do well, man. Really, honestly, find the cryptos that you like and stick with them. You know what I mean? I'm primarily in XRP, XLM. Yeah, you're in a lot. Sold. John, what's up, man? I hope you have a great day too, dude. Thanks so much, man. Austin, what do you think about ACH? It's done well since I started. ACH Alchemy Pay, it's been around for a long time. I think that they got some interesting stuff that they've always, and it kind of underperformed after last bull market, right? You got to think XLM. I mean, so I bought XLM. I'll just go to it, dude. I bought XLM a long time. I haven't bought it in this rally, but I mean, you go back and look at ACH, dude, which has done very well, by the way. ACH. Let's see. I'll tell you as my one. So I bought it. So I bought back in the day, dude. So when this thing was actually, so I bought $5,000 of this when it was back at. Sorry, that's not right. Oh my gosh, dude, it's crazy. I bought $10,000 of ACH at 4 cents back in August 5th of 2021, dude. I bought $10,000 of ACH. I rode that thing up all the way. I rode that thing all the way up from that $10,000, dude. I rode that thing all the way up and I cashed out. Sorry, and then I bought another. So I bought 14,000. I bought another 4 at 425. So I bought $15,000 of it in August. Yeah, you can see right here. Look at this, guys. This is crazy. This is why ACH is so crazy, dude. You can see right there, dude. Does everyone see right there? August 5th of 2021, and I cashed out Just off that one alone, I put $15,000 in. I cashed out 10, 20, 30. I cashed out $40,000 when that thing hit the top, dude. That thing spiked up so high, and I sold at the top of that. I cashed out. So I put in 15. I cashed out like, I don't know, $40,000. So and then I bought in. I played the game again with that thing, and yeah. So ACH is it's a fun game. It was a fun game back then. But you got to think, I was buying that right now. I bought it at where it's at right now, right? Isn't ACH like at like 4 cents right now? So it's just funny. 2021, where that thing where it comes full circle. James, thanks so much for the $2, dude. What is the Wall Street Pepe crap? It's probably, it's just a meme coin, dude. Just a meme coin. That's all it is. XYN's killing it. Yeah. So I was an ACH OG, bro. I'll tell you that right now, dude. Before ACH was even a real thing, I was an ACH OG, dude. And look at the transactions on this, dude. Look at this, guys. Look at the transactions, dude. I was like an ACH OG back in the day, dude. Look at that. Look at that. I was still buying. My last purchase of it was December 15th of 2021. Actually, that was my last sell of it. So I was in the game swing trading hard on that thing because of the ups and downs of it. Is it true that there's a chance even banks can use RippleNet? Yeah, they probably could. And there was a tweet out here just talking about that. So what did I hear about the news? I sold my XRP for memes. Don't do that by mistake. Yeah, be careful. ACH is ripping today. Yeah, ACH is ripping. Dude. I was the only one back in the day that I could sit there and say that like I bought in. I actually believed what they were going to do, and they kind of fell flat. For the most part, they kind of actually fell really hard. And damn, balling like that. I was going hard, bro. Alchemy paid good. Back in the day, it was fresh, it was new. There was a lot of thing. I just got rugged on awesome coin. Alchemy paid good. Dude, like I said, they were new. That was the Coinbase pump right there. So when I bought into it, I bought into the Coinbase pump. And this is right when Coinbase 1 came out. And you could actually, so what happened was, one thing I liked about Coinbase is that they would release it to Coinbase 1 before they would release it to the Coinbase exchange. And so I would, you'd sit there in Coinbase 1 and you would kind of wait. And this is before I even this is kind of like if you were on the border of centralization and decentralization, but they would release it on Coinbase 1 first. And so anyone that was signed up for Coinbase 1 would be able to have access to it before it actually got dropped on Coinbase. And so that's what I did with ACH, is that you would be able to jump in there first because you were on Coinbase 1. It was Coinbase Pro. That's what it was. It wasn't Coinbase 1. It was Coinbase Pro. And they don't have Coinbase Pro anymore. And so, yeah, it's kind of crazy how that all worked out. Yo, chat, where do you keep your XRP? You keep it in Ledger, dude. Love my XRP XLM algo bags. DOT has been hurting me a bit. Yeah, those are tough. And Zach was also an ACH nut hugger, made me money. ACH bridging fiat and crypto economy. Yeah, that's what they've been banking on. Whether that's successful or not, I have no idea. Tim Shea, 24 months, dude. The mayor of crypto, Tim Shea in the house. What's up, buddy? 24 months, A-team strong, dude. 2 years. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, dude. Appreciate all you guys. Just completed compliance regulation in Canada, US soon. Yeah, they've been fighting for that for a long time. Cloud99. This is all ACH nut huggers unite. This is what they've been fighting for the last 4 years. This is nothing new. Cloud99. That's what they were promising 4 years ago as well. So you know what I mean. Hey, Austin, would you recommend buying XRP today before the SEC settle cases? I mean, when the SEC settles the cases, this was just November. This was just January 5th, or sorry, January 15th. I mean, you got to think this went up from basically right here was January 14th, and we went up roughly almost 45% just on the news, just on that case. So imagine when they come out and they say that XRP is no longer, going to be suppressed by the SEC. You think that you don't think that this is going to go crazy, bro? I mean, just off the FOMO alone. Teach your own, man. Like I said, I'm just happy that I own it, and I'm happy that it's doing well. It will continue to do well. Hey, Austin, how much higher can Hbar and Xlm go? I think I've tagged Xlm at 280, and I tagged Hbar at $2. So those are both about a 5x from where they're at right now, and that could be a little robust. Danny, thanks so much for the $5, dude. Slowly preparing for the first run in February, 5 to 10K. Would you go all in on XRP right now, then diversify later? Yeah, find a crypto that you like. If you like XRP, you like where the direction it's going. If you think that there's a long-term investment on it, then then that's where I'd put it. But if you think that there's other things out there, those are up to you. Hey Austin, how much higher? Yeah, I already read that one. When watching, the buys are always behind the price and the sells are always above the price. I don't know how to use that on day trading. Yeah, you're just looking at order air cent. You're just looking at where the buy walls are. That's all I use the depth chart for, is just buy walls. Our economy is going to soar like an American eagle. I agree. I think it's going to do really well. I think we're so early right now still. So, dude, there's nothing to be, we don't have anything to be, there's nothing to be bearish about, dude. We've already come through the depths. We've already come through the trenches. You know what I mean? Interest rates have been horrible. Everything's been down. We're just starting to build the economy back up. When the housing market comes back, when things start to run, when things start to rally, I think that we'll start to push more up. So thank you so much. No problem, dude. What do you think a Doge can do in February? I think Doge will probably do well. I think everything's going to do well in February. Here's the history of what we see in February, guys. Only 2 months, or sorry, 2 quarters, 2020 and 2014 were only the two. Let me get my head out of the way here. You can see right here, 2020, which was, again, this is going into COVID. That's a hard thing, because that's like, that's a COVID year. You know what I mean? And you got 14 down here, was minus 31% for Bitcoin. Everything else has like gone up massively, dude. So again, we went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6 year we went down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we can expect the 6 year to go down if we're looking at basically trends here. So, hey Austin, can you check? Let's see here. So 280 on XLM and $2 for HBAR. Mind having a little look at algo and taking a stab in the dark at that one? Yeah, I could do that here in a second. Let me get through some of the chat here real quick. Hey, Austin, what's your thoughts on Ondo? Ondo's going to do, like I said, the only thing that caught me with Ondo, and again, I think Ondo's probably not a bad buy now, after everything sort of calmed down with their where is Ondo right now? Yeah, we were saying, dude, I was saying the pack here, dude. This was the complete sell-off right here of the releasing of their thing. The 18th, right, where everyone was anticipating the sell-off of the 18th, which is right here. So, anything else after that is fine, right? That was the sell-off for everyone, with Ondo, because of their token releases, and everything is actually built out of here nice and positive. So even if you're saying, okay, this is the low of where we're going to go to where Ondo's at, you're already up 35%. You know what I mean? And now Ondo partnering with XRP and Ripple and those kind of things, I think that Ondo has a good opportunity. If you bought down here on this dip on January 13th, you're up almost 45% on Ondo. So yeah, I think Ondo's starting to sort of prove itself a little bit more and more. It is a DAO crypto, and anytime you have token releases, it's just something to consider. Like I said, it has nothing to do with what the project is. It just has everything to do with a lot of people trade on emotion. And so there's a lot of people that probably bought into this that are, obviously swing trading it. But, it's nice that things are catching up right here. So you can see that the 10-day actually came down. These are actually catching up right here. And it's made a nice little bounce back. So you can see last time this actually dipped below right here. You can see right here, this actually dipped below the 10-day, dip below everything else. We had a nice little run up right here. So, you can see right here, we went negative right here. The good thing is it hasn't done the cross. It hasn't done the death cross yet. So that's a positive thing. But last time we actually had a rally was here November 5th and came back up pretty hot. So yeah, it is an Ondo. I don't think Ondo's bad at all. It's a DAO, right? It's a DAO. And if you like decentralization, you'll like DAOs. I think whales will dump on anticipation of liquidation. They could. I had to uninstall the Discord. I got in 12 people with awesome. I'm sorry, dude, Jeremy. I'm sorry. That sucks. Yeah, it's definitely rebounded nicely. Billy, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, Billy, and thank you so much for becoming that. And yeah, definitely go join that Discord. Hey, Austin, what's your thoughts on Psy and Beam? I don't. They're not like I don't think they're bad. They're just not my crypto that I follow. New coin, nice quick turnaround. Memes would leave. Yeah, got to be careful with memes. I would agree with that. Yeah, there's definitely some things you want to be careful of. I trade on emotion. I broke in 3 TVs. I can dig that. I can dig that. Hey man, sometimes you get a little wrapped up. Looks like we're having a nice little turnaround here on this hour. Looks like we're coming back up on the hour charts here. So this is nice to sort of see. You can see there's a nice, anytime this is in the, like I told you guys, anytime it looks like the 382 to the 236 is a really strong area. And we actually have traded in this area a lot. So, and obviously we have the massive volume up here at 311. So, I mean, we'll probably anywhere from 313 to 311 will probably ride this area. But we've traded this area pretty. Look at that. Look how consistently trading this. Like it's consistently traded on this line right here. So we know that anywhere in here in the 382 is probably a decent buy unless something catastrophic happens, which we saw happen right here. But I mean, anytime it gets into the green, we want to buy. Same with this of Hbar. Hbar is still at the bottom of this, right? So it's actually in a really good buy zone still for Hbar. Even over the last hour of us being down right now, you can see right here, we are been down the last couple hours, still in the red. But overall, looking decent. Now you have Xlm making a nice little breakout here. It could come back down here and fill some of these fair value gaps. But again, still trying to build back out of the area of where we bought back here in this golden pocket. So Xlm actually doing a little bit better of a job breaking out, even better than that of Hbar at this moment. So Hbar still struggling to try to get back up to the 0.5 area here. But it is right around the volume. You can see there's a lot of support here. Look at the support. There was a report that came out today talking about Hbar dropping 20%, which was crazy. I wasn't going to share it because it was just like it was kind of a dumb article. But they're like, oh, it could lose 20% and drop down to 0.24. And they created like this. And I'm like, dude, there's so much support right here at this anywhere from 29 to 31, almost 32. If anything, we build out right here, just trade sideways here and then build back up. That would be phenomenal. Hey, Austin, can you let me know a good buy price for XLM? Yeah, the XLM buy was right here, guys. I talked about this live on stream multiple days in a row. Your XLM buys were 37 and 36, and I hit the 37. I didn't hit my 36, but we came in and swooped up and bought it right here at the 37. And I mean, you could still buy. This is still technically in a buy zone right now, based off. Actually, tell you the truth, let's actually I haven't created a new chart for this one. Let's actually create a new fib. Let's go right here. I mean, yeah, you're technically still technically in a buy zone. You got to think anytime we're between, and we're in the 382 levels and the 0.5. I mean, this is still technically a deep dip right here. This was like, obviously the golden pocket, which is where you want to go if you're going to buy, but this is still considered a buy zone at this moment. So, something to at least consider. Let's see here. I think the 4-year bull run cycle is no more. Oh, you think it's going to just continue to rip forward? Ripple lawsuit is ending today. That'd be crazy if it does. Good afternoon, team. Do you see XLM coming back to 40 cents? I'll never say never. I mean, yeah, I definitely could. I mean, I'm hoping that we build out of this. I'm hoping we continue to build up here in Q1. That's kind of my goal. And we have roughly, I did chart it out on here. We have roughly, like I said, it can continue to play sideways all the way until about February, anywhere from February 10th to February 12th. I think we'll probably be trading, it could be somewhere in between there. I don't know enough about XCN. I mean, it looks like it's definitely been on a run. I mean, it's up like 1,400% over the last like 30 days. So it's point for a good buy zone for ACH. Well, back in 2021, that was my buy zone, dude. Back in 2021. Just to satisfy everyone here, we'll take a look at XCN. Okay, guys? How about that? We'll just take a look at XCN for you guys. How about that? So I'll give you my honest advice. It's still up 1,300% over the month. So you got to think that's actually a really, really big rally. 1,300% over the month. Let's look at it on the chart here. Again, it's hard to gauge here. it is hard to gauge because XCN is, it's been on such a rip. And I guess it looks like I did do a little bit of something on here. Jesus, what is this? But definitely, it's definitely come down pretty hot, right? Hit its high here in January 26th, which is roughly what, 4 days ago. It's come down about 32% as of right now. Let's go to the day chart on this. Yeah, dude, you're looking at, man, there's definitely going to probably be some relief on this one for sure. It's already come down, filling up this fair value gap. You know, it could come back down. I mean, it could come back down here. There's not, you can see where the volume is, right? Down here to this one right here. So there is some volume to catch in between here. It's tough to say, dude. I don't know. This has been on such a crazy rally. It's suppressed for so long and then went on this crazy rally. It's hard to say where it's going to come down to. The money profits will leave this and go to other cryptos. That's what you got to watch out for. So if it does come back down, you can see the level of support right here. The next major level of support is right here at the 1 cent mark, 1.28. You got another one right here at around the 2.5, which it could come down. It already tested it right here. You can see right here it bounced off of that. So I mean, probably 2.5 could be the next line of level of resistance or support. Sorry. So we'll see. But there's your XLM. I mean, you know, I personally would not buy it right now. This is just me personally, because I think it's been on such a massive rally right now. Anyone that's kind of missed this opportunity right here, anyone buying in here is just, you know, you could be exit liquidity for a lot of people that bought down here, which is, again, this is a lot of people that bought right here. Anyone that buys above this major level of support is, you know, anyone buying in now is exit liquidity for all the people that are down here. So, you know, I don't like to be exit liquidity, so I avoid that, and that's just my own personal belief. Nothing against the project, just against my own belief, right? We can take a look at ACH because people are obviously asking about ACH. ACH has been on a crazy rally, right? Been suppressed for so long. It's been on this crazy rally as well. Let's go to the day chart. It's actually been trading pretty good. You can see back over here in 2021. This is the rip right here. You know, now it's getting hit here in 2023, 2024. It looks like this is the cycle that it hits and then comes down again. So, I mean, based off what I'm seeing here, it would have to take a lot of volume for this to actually gain some traction. This right here was their launch, right? They launched, and this was they launched and they went on to Coinbase, right? This is the Coinbase rally right here. This is where I made my money. Right here was the Coinbase rally, dude. Boom. I bought here at 4 cents. 4 cents. And I sold up here. I sold up here at like it was like 19 cents, I think. Yeah, I sold it like at 19 cents. So you can see, I mean, I made a ton of money off this thing. I made like $40,000 bucks. That was like one of my biggest gains in crypto at that time. I was like, oh my God. I'm a savant, dude. I own crypto now. I'm the best in the crypto space. I made 40K off of a play, which is great. Don't get me wrong. But that was when people were new to crypto and didn't really realize what things were, didn't really realize what Alchemy Pay was. And again, I think a lot of cryptos out there have jumped ACH. Like ACH is old news now, unfortunately. Dude, Seiko, 28 months, dude. Take your profits, A-team. Yes, take your profits, dude. Thank you so much, man. 28 months, dude. Wow. Incredible. You and Tim, man. 20, 24, and 28. You guys are killing it, dude. I'm surprised it looks like this 09 Xlm. That was my last purchase in 5. Damn, bro. I love it, dude. I love it. Looks like Grayscale just filed an ETF for XRP. Did they really, dude? That's some really good news. Let's see here. Let's go home here. Did they? Let's see. Let's go Grayscale. Grayscale. Grayscale has officially filed for an XRP ETF. There you go, dude. Yeah, that came from Cointelegraph too. Wow. That is awesome, dude. So we knew the ETFs were going to come here for XRP. So I mean, you know, again, another big boom for XRP if that actually happens, right? Let's go see the price. So people are probably going to be jumping into XRP here again, just off FOMO alone. But you got to think ETFs will be huge for XRP. Now people will actually be able to invest their money into XRP, and you don't have to go through an exchange. You don't have to go through anything. You just, you know, put your 401k over there. We knew this was going to come here in about Q1, Q2 of 2025, and I think that, again, the reason why this settlement's going to happen sooner rather than later is because I think it's going to be tough for them to be an ETF if they're under, you know, if they're going through an appeal process with the SEC. So This is actually super bullish right here, 100%, dude. Thanks so much for letting me know. That is fantastic, dude. That just came out literally like 2 minutes ago. So yeah, that is awesome news. Let's see here. Seiko, thanks so much for gifting 5 members. Thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships. If you got gifted by Seiko, please say thank you to Seiko. And thank you so much for that, buddy. And the 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Yeah, ACH doesn't hold much utility. Better off getting Toshi at this point. I'm not saying that they don't have a good. I'm not saying that Alchemy Pay doesn't have a good shot at it. I just think that what they're trying to do. A lot of people have already come out and tried. I mean, Hbar is ahead of the game with that, right? XLM is ahead of the game with that. So I get what they're trying to do, but there's a lot of other players out here that are in this space. They have a lot of competition, right? That's what it's become. Back in the day, there was really no competition for it. It was like it's kind of new. But again, I'm not saying the ACH is not going to do well. It could do well, but they're still promising the same thing they were promising back in 2021. How much can go Arbitrum? I don't know, man. What's going on with the Trump coin? Any chance for recovery? I think there'll be a chance for recovery. Yeah. What about SHIB? Nah, I think SHIB has played its course, dude. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I mean, it's still a top meme coin, but I think it's played its course. I think they'll probably. I mean, like I said, they're other than hype alone, and you can see SHIB is continually falling down. This thing was a top 10 crypto. It was actually up here in the top 6, 7 cryptos, and slowly it's kind of dwindled down. As more money comes out of it. We'll see what happens. I mean, even Litecoin's about to jump it again, but I think SHIB will continue to probably do okay. There's a lot of people here who still support SHIB and still hold and still have a lot of profits on it. So, anticipation that SHIB does well. Yes, the SEC against Ripple is officially over. The SEC has decided not to appeal the court ruling. Yeah, that'd be SEC closed door meeting stirs Ripple. Yeah, this is just a closed door meeting today. So we'll see what happens with what this all said. The thing is that Paul Atkins hasn't been confirmed yet. I don't think he's been confirmed. So, even with that being said, it'd be interesting when he gets confirmed. I think he gets confirmed nomination. I don't know exactly when he goes through. I know today there was a couple confirmation hearings, like Tulsi Gabbard, and them are going to get confirmed maybe today. XRP doing good today. I think XRP is going to make a nice little route. I mean, with this news like this that we just saw, where is it at? I mean, this is fantastic, guys. An XRP ETF is huge. I've been saying that for a long time, dude. The XRP ETF is going to be ginormous for XRP. Now you're going to have so much money being able to come into XRP. It's going to be great. That's the kind of stuff that you want if you're in this space. So, we'll see what happens once the filing. So it's great that they have the filing, but I mean, once the filing actually goes through and people are actually moving their money into it, it's going to be good, dude. XRC is coming back hard in hours. With the filing resume, Ripple can now operate without the looming threat of the SEC. Yeah, you're right. I'm with you, Sticks and Stones. I think that I mean, if we could just wash our hands clean of what the SEC has done. I mean, I don't know what Brad Garlinghouse did to piss off or make Gary Gensler mad, dude, because it's really the only crypto that he's really gone after. I mean, he's posted about other things. I mean, there's been a handful of other cryptos that he's called a security, but yeah. Yes, I own Pepe. XCM pumping now. Yeah, that's good, dude. What's the chart on the right? Oh, these right here. This is just your volume indicators right here. It's called your visible range volume profile. Thoughts on WIF? WIF is just a meme coin. Again, it's all just it's all just hype. Same with Pepe, same with a lot of these, same with SHIB and all those things. At least with Doge, at least it's a mineable crypto. It was ETHgate, not Gensler. Yeah, that's true, Digi. I'll give you that. Your ETHgate. That's good. Hopefully you got in. I saw I DM'd you back on Discord. Did you? Just let you know. XLM is a steal right now, and so is Hbar. Yeah, they're looking pretty good. Any thoughts on WAGMI? You talking about WAGMI the game, Forsaken one? I mean, Scott and them has done a really good job for WAGMI, dude. So, you know, they're still building strong. Can't deny that. It's not easy to build in this space at all. This space is a really tough space to build in, you know, and so that's why a lot of people came out here, you know, promising the world with things, and it's really, I think they realize how hard it is to build. It's not easy, dude. I mean, look at XRP's been here since 2012, and they're still building today, right? You know, they're still doing all that kind of stuff. So the space is not easy to build in, man. I'll tell you that right now. And let's see, can you look at Pure Wallet? You want like look at the Pure Wallet, like the web. When you say we'll look at Pure, like the actual open it up, I don't have a desktop version of the Pure Wallet. Can Toshi still run some? I don't know. It's tough to say because meme coins do some crazy things. I think XRP is about to explode today. It very well could, man. It's in a buy zone. I mean, this is crazy. It's still in a buy zone. It's been a really strong buy zone right here. Look at this, dude. This has pretty much been flat. I mean, and the crazy thing here is that if you want to make a swing trade right now, like this would be a perfect opportunity for a swing trade, probably. I mean, even if you wanted to even, you know, let's say we want it's at 311. I mean, we already know that it goes up. It can hit roughly up here about 5%. Here's about another 7%. And if it goes back up to all-time high, it's about 10%. So, I mean, even if it goes back up like right here at, you know, a 3% gain off of today, I mean, you put 10K in, that's $300. You put 20. I mean, you can make some money off this if you wanted to. And there's a lot more positive news for XRP than there is negative at the moment. So, yeah, you could probably make a nice little swing trade here. If you could see, there's been a nice level of support here for that. So, I messed up with the Pure Wallet and sent 25 of ETH, and now it's not lost, Forsaken one. It's just you have to wait for it to come onto the main net. It's on a test net right now. So when it's on test net, that means that the blockchain, it doesn't read the blockchain, and they're waiting for it to get approved by Apple, to go to mainnet. So it'd be nice by tomorrow to have that. You know what I mean? It'd be nice by tomorrow to have to be up on mainnet. How's soccer going with the fam, dude? It's intrigue. It's going well, man. We had soccer last night, and the kids did well. Did a bunch of wind sprints. Don't know about you, but the utilities that win first place will be the big money. Yeah, I would agree. Yes, Forsaken one. That's true. When it's there, we'll do it. Yeah, no, I saw that. Looking at that now. Well, if it isn't Austin doing completely normal behavior, what's up? Too fast to handle. Talk dirty to me, Hbar. You guys are crazy. Hbar, you know, Hbar is down over the last hour, 2 hours actually. It's come down just slightly since it's a nice little peak here at 32. It's come down. It's kind of filled this little fair value gap right here that it's left open a little bit, which is down about roughly 1%. So hopefully it comes down about 2%, and then we bounce back up off this. Xlm, again, this one's actually looking pretty good. Left a pretty good fair value gap right here on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour here. 4 hours a lot better, but even on the 4 hour, you know, we're still looking pretty good. It could come back down and fill up a little bit here at the 42 level before taking the next level up. But yeah, XLM's looking pretty good. Hopefully we get a nice little bounce back there. And like I said, XRP is looking pretty good over the last 8 hours now. Just starting to create a new 4 hour here, and in about an hour we'll have another 4 hour. What's the chances the SEC case drops today? I don't know, man. With Paul Atkins hasn't been confirmed yet, so you know, I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how the closed door meeting is going to be when you don't have the head of an SEC chairman in there. I don't know how that works. Thoughts on Bone? I mean, I don't know. Bones hasn't really done. Bones have underperformed a lot, dude. Unfortunately, but I owned a shit ton of Bone. Yeah, Coinbase Pro was awesome back in the day. It was, dude, because again, they would release it to Coinbase Pro, and then you could buy it up at Coinbase Pro, and then it would get released to the exchange. What news about SEC closed meeting today? Oh, just there's a closed meeting, SEC closed door meeting today. Stirs a bunch of Ripple, news out there. You can see right here, Ripple's potential breakthrough. SEC closed door meeting fuels XRP's community hopes for Ripple case to be done. And again, I was hoping by just April 7th that they would do this, but we'll see what happens. I mean, like I said, I don't know who is over here making the decision. If Gary Gensler's gone, who's making the decision, right? I have no idea who's making the decision. Oh, is it really Post Malone? That's funny, dude. I did not find the pin, dude. Thanks for asking. No, I didn't. Sadly. TAC, I don't know if you could countersue off of it. What's your thoughts about Swift Coin? I see it's going up all year. Yeah, a lot of people are liking it. You bought XCN at 0.004. That's great, dude. Yeah, so we'll see what happens right here. What the news is. Let's go to the 1 hour here. Are you planning on buying an ETF? Should it be released? No, I don't need to. Like I said, that's usually for people that have like a 401k or things like that. I probably won't buy the ETF. There's no reason. I'll just buy it straight on the market. You know what I mean? But this allows people that have a 401k or a retirement to put their money in. So I think that's what's great about it. And then they don't got to worry about all the bull crap. They don't got to worry about a seed phrase. They don't got to worry about moving it to from an exchange to a cold wallet. Worrying about whether it gets to your, they don't got to worry about any of that kind of stuff. So that's what makes it so nice and secure when you're buying that stuff up. Cougar Well, thanks so much for the $2, dude. Billion Right is my pool boy. Where's my drink? I wouldn't buy the ETF if there's no tax on crypto. Dude, if there's no tax on crypto, dude, that'd be filthy. Oh, I wonder if the ETF wouldn't have any tax either. Sorry for the dumb. What do you mean by maxi? Oh, a maxi is someone who's like, all they care about is all they care about is that crypto. So everything's positive, right? There's no negative. You're not negative about the crypto. Everything's positive, regardless of what it is. You're always positive about that crypto. So like when I say Bitcoin maxi, it's all Bitcoin. Everything else sucks, and that's kind of what it is, right? You're only investing your time and energy into that crypto. So you become a maxi. Exact what Adam said. So again, and there's maxis and everything, dude. There's Ripple maxis, XRP maxis, there's Bitcoin maxis, there's SHIB maxis. I mean, they're all over the place. Crypto's really good about doing that. And a lot of them are maxi. And again, majority of the people that are maxis become a maxi pad for sure. That's why you should just be a crypto maxi, dude. Just be a crypto, just be super supportive of crypto and the growth of crypto so that everyone wins, because not everyone's going to invest all their time and energy in Bitcoin. Not everyone's going to invest all their time and energy in XRP. Not everyone's going to invest all their time and energy into Xlm and Hbar. Like, again, people are going to diversify and find things that work for them. And so just be a maxi for crypto and not be just one for one project. Because again, the only way we all win is if everyone, if all the projects are successful. So can a Roth be moved to an ETF? Yeah, I think so, Luke. I think that can actually happen. Dude, I don't think Wild Dog, if there's actually news on that. Big A, there are Saitama maxis. Dude, those people were insane. Appreciate you, Tony. Yes, we got some 18 maxis in the house here. Gotta love that. Appreciate you guys. New to crypto, do you think it's too late to buy XRP? No. I think XRP is a solid project. There's still a lot of growth. We're all Austin Max. I appreciate it. Yeah. Shout it out. You'll get 100K subs in a couple of months, Austin. Congrats. I hope so. It'll be fun. It'll be fun to get it. We'll see what happens here. It's a grind. You know what I mean? Being in crypto is not an easy place to be in. Being here every day, showing up every day, trying to find good content, trying to make sure we talk about things that are bring value. That's where things get a little tough here. But again, as long as you guys keep showing up every day, I'm just appreciative of that. So yeah, definitely hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you, Seiko. Austin Maxi is an old car. Ada, we can take a look at Ada here. If a couple people ask me about Ada, we can take a look at Ada. It's done well to build itself out of the hole, right? I mean, so you had this nice little soft down here. This is definitely in a buy zone down here. Yeah, you guys are doing pretty good. It's still in a, I mean, this is definitely a, this is pretty deep right here. Now you're going to have a nice little build out. So hopefully you can get back up here. But like I said, ADA is kind of a slow mover. Even if it gets back up to the cycle's high at $1.32, that puts you at roughly what? 36%. It's not too bad. 36%. That's not too bad. Let's go H bar. Where's H bar put us? I think H bar put us, if we get back to the top of H bar cycle, puts us about a 27%. So that's not too bad either. Yeah, so it's just a matter of someone asked me about Algorand. Let's take a look at Algorand. I forgot about this. So I told you guys the buy on Algorand was 35. And Algorand's actually bounced back pretty nicely since then. We're up about roughly 11%, 10%. Algorand's definitely one of those where, it's definitely fallen off here. We should probably take this off here. No reason for that. But yeah, you could definitely see where they're building right now. And there's probably, dude, that's crazy. Back in November right here, dang. Yeah, it's definitely come down pretty hot since it's high of this cycle right here. So 58% down from its cycle. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy. You guys see Radium doing really well. Radium has done really well over the last couple of days. Sushi Swap has done really well, coming up almost 10%. There's a lot of cryptos out here that have made some nice little rallies. I mean, even people here in Jasmine, right? Jasmine has done really well. So yeah, kudos to everyone in there that have bought into these. There's so many cryptos. We're in a bull market, guys. Every crypto should do well. Yeah, breakout for a permanent $4. The best thing to do is find your high and low in DCA, and that's true. I think a Roth could be moved. I don't know about that 100%. When you made 40,000 ACH in what time frame? The start of the buy for the 15. Oh, okay, I could tell you that. I started to buy, so I sold. Dude, I bought this so much. Holy crap! So I bought it on August 5th, and then by August 7th. By August 7th, I was out. I made my $40,000 and because it went up 15, 30, 45. It went up 3x'd it, right? 300%. So yeah, 60. I made it. It was almost a 4x, I think. So it was like 60. No, 15, 30, 45. Yeah, it had to been like anywhere from like 50. It was like 50,000. I think is what Kendo see the 10, 20, 30. Yeah, 40. But yeah, I bought in on August 5th and I sold everything by August 7th. So yeah, pretty crazy when you think of it. And then yeah, dude. I was making massive purchases, dude. Holy crap, dude. And then on August 16th, on August 12th, I bought 10,000. August 12th, I bought another 10,000. And then on August 16th, I bought 10,000. And then on August 17th, I bought another 10,000. And then I sold for a profit. And then I came back and I bought, dude, that's stupid. That is crazy. My swing trades on that thing was nuts, dude. Oh my gosh. I was swing trading the hell out of that thing. El Pablo, thanks so much for the $5, dude. What are your thoughts on the ZBCN? It's a good amount to have. I don't even know what that is, bro. El Pablo, thanks so much for the $5, but I don't know what ZBCN is, dude. Austin, what's your move to 255? You move your 255 XRP limit order? I did not. No, it's still sitting there. Yeah, I haven't sold out of it. I did move the 220 to 225 up. So ChatGPT lied about the case. They apologized. Would you agree, based on looking at the charts, will be consolidation zone for a little bit? Yeah, I think I said that the consolidation zone is going to be about roughly. I made a little marker here. Like February 12th. We'll probably be consolidating until about February 12th. Again, that's just a guess. I'm not 100%. Yeah, I put my 4. What's up, Supwa? What's going on, dude? My 401k went into crypto back long time ago. Radium's still a thing. Yeah, Radium's killing it, bro. Let's take a look at Radium. Dude, Radium has been like on a sender, dude. Let's see, where's Radium at? let's actually just do we'll do here. Yeah, Radium's done really well. This, you can see this thing's gone on. This thing is going crazy right now. Just over the last couple days, I mean, this thing's up almost what 3%. Yeah, you can't beat that. I mean, even the cycle, right? If you go back and look at the cycle on this thing, all-time highs were roughly around $16, $17. We're sitting about $7 right now. So again, if you bought this at the very low of October 23rd, this thing was sitting around 20 cents, and now it's back up here. Now it's back up here to roughly, I mean, it's a 4,000% increase from 2023. So Radium has made a massive comeback, dude. Radium is like, I mean, that's huge right there. This is a project that came out. This is a perfect example of a project that came out, a lot of hype, being that they're a swap, they're an exchange, all this kind of stuff, right? A lot of hype, a lot of momentum, and then again, underperformed, fell off the map. And then when Solana came back, you got to think this all hit the low when Solana hit their all-time low, right? Because Radium is a Solana based. And then right when Solana started to make a comeback, so did Radium. And this just shows you the power of what a blockchain can do for a swap. Like this is crazy to me. You know what I mean? And to think that you could be up 4,000% on a project is pretty crazy, especially a project like that. What's up, Bar Caffeine, dude? Good to see you. Didn't get in time for the rip. Yeah, I'm new to XRP. How is there so much growth potential if the all-time high is reached and the market cap is already so high? Well, the all-time high, I think that again, I think we're looking at, well, the market cap when it comes to XRP. A lot of us don't believe that a market cap should be where a market cap is, and it hasn't. Right here, the all-time high, it did reach it barely at right around this 335, but I think actually on I think 385. If I go back and look, I think 380. I thought it was like 385. Let's look. Let's actually look real quick. All-time high is 384 for XRP. So 384 is still 18% down from all-time high based off coin market cap. So again, yeah, I mean, I think that it's definitely right there. But that's where it says 384. That's probably where the wick hit. So, and again, I think that this hasn't. I mean, you got to think XRP was at one point ranked #1, right? Even above Bitcoin. So you got to think about that. If you close your 401k, you'd be subject to 30% tax. Yeah, that's true too. That is true too. If you moved your 401k. I just checked my bags from 2017. It's worth 25K. Dang, bro, that's awesome. XCN is pumping. XCN's pumping it. You guys in your XCN, dude. Yeah, XCN's not really pumping too much. I mean, just barely. It's not even pumping. Radium's pumping. Radium's definitely pumping. You know what else is pumping? XLM's pumping. Look at XLM. XLM's killing it right now. We bought in. I'm already up on XLM. My XLM purchase, dude, on my swing trade right now. I bought at 37. I'm already up 20%, dude. I dropped on this swing trade alone, dude. I dropped $20,000 in on the swing trade. Told you guys I was going pretty hard on it. So yeah, that thing hit nicely, dude. Yeah, that thing hit nicely. So it's really nice when you actually do hit your targets. That's for damn sure, dude. 37,200 is where I hit. 37,200 where I hit my limits. And then yeah, that's pretty good, dude. Some exchanges, XRP, breaking, Grayscale officially filed. Yeah, we saw that. That's pretty cool, huh, Pat? Jasmine Coin's pumping. Yeah, move our RRS to iTrust Capital for tax-free trading. XRP is on the third wave to a 3.8 with a pullback to about 3.6. Yeah, I was saying about 3. I think I marked it on the. Did I mark it when we were looking at this? I said 3.8. I think I said 3.8, or no, I said 450. 3.8 is about that 40. Let's see, that's about we're including the 40%. So we said about 45% would put it about 385. I think that's where I said when we talked about a 40% increase on this, it was about 485. And then you could go up to roughly, if it wants to, go up to roughly 450, which would be about a 40 from where it's at. It'd go about 45 from where it's at, which would be about 450. So we'll put another marker there at 450. Just for fun, just to sort of see. But yeah, 385 kind of seems where it was at. That's where I should have marked that earlier on the stream when we were talking about it. That's probably your next level is 380, which again would be all-time highs based off of that of CoinMarketCap at 384. 384 is the all-time high based off CoinMarketCap for XRP. 385 is the new all-time high. So it would push us to a new all-time high. Avoid leverage at all costs. Yeah. Today, do the same chart for Hbar. Yeah, Hbar is the same. Hbar is the same. So what's nice about Hbar is you can actually go back and look at the previous history on this. So let's actually, did I do it for Hbar already? And I probably didn't, but we can go back and see what the rips were back in. So let's start with 2021. April of 2021, we actually had a massive, crazy rally, right? So we fell down in Q1, and then we went all the way up in Q2. So this is actually this is Q1's rip right here. So let's go down from the bottom to the top. We did a 400% return on Hbar in 2021. That was the Q1 rip in 2021. Okay, let's go to 2022. Or sorry, that was 2021. Let's go 2022. Was right about here. So let's do 2022 was roughly about a 45% return in 2022, 45 give or take. And then let's go over here to 2023. We came all the way down here, and these are rough numbers, guys. We went up 161%. So, dude, that was 2023, and now 2024. Here in Q1, if we're saying that this is the bottom of Q1, which is right there, and we're going to go up about, this has a good opportunity to go. Let's just say it goes up 45%. That actually puts us back at, let me zoom in on this one. If it only goes up 45%, that'll put us back at the high of what it was. But if it puts us at 100% like previous before, that'll put us about 51, which I think would be an all-time high. No, 58 would be all-time high. So I definitely think that we're going to hit all-time. I definitely think that we could probably hit into that 58 marker. I'm thinking that that's where our marker is right here. 58 is kind of where we'll be in Q1, which again, if we do hit that, that'd be about an 85% return on your investment, which is almost, that'd be great, right? 100% return on your investment would be fantastic here in Q1. Austin, you marked your target prices on XRP at 40%, but when we looked at the dips earlier, I thought it was a 68% average rip. But you got to account for the dip that it's already in. That's why I said it, because you got to already account for the dip right here, which is right here at the low of this one. So you got to account for that. That's why you got to account for this low right here, because this low actually happened in January. We ripped out of here, and now we're consolidating. So you can't take it off of where it's at right now. You got to take it at where the bottom of January was. So if you take it from if you took it from here and went up 45%, then we're up here. But that's why I said I think that it could be anywhere from 45. That's why it's hard to say, man. It's really a tough one to project, right? But if you go from where it was at right here, went up 45%. Actually it'd be right here. The fall of Q1 would be right here. Sorry, the fall of Q1 would be right here. And then 45% up from there would put you right at, it'd put you right at 385. So, and I think 60%, 68% would put you at 450. So yeah, anywhere from 45 to 68%, right? Give or take. There's two lines right there, $4.50 and $3.85. But dude, anything in between there would be amazing. Dude, that's people bought Helium Mobile. It's out there, dude. And it's just one of those degen plays right now at this moment. The whole Helium system's kind of like that way. How long does it take for an ETF approval? Does it take a couple weeks probably? Yeah, it's pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. I would agree. I'm new to XRP. Why are the expectations so high when the all-time high has been reached? because a lot of people don't believe that market cap it matters when it comes to a commodity, and a lot of people believe that XRP is a commodity. Am I in the wrong long run not selling anything? This might be my only chance to make money. That's a lot of people feel that same way. You know what I mean? It will be 50 cents. Once XLM done, run up a little bit. Yeah, XLM, it definitely ran, dude. It ran pretty good. Now it's kind of flatlined a little bit, huh? It's still making its way up on the 4-hour, right? We hit that 382 level right here, and obviously we hit some resistance here at the 382 level. Yeah, it'd be nice if this keeps running up here. I hope HBAR, the 4 hours down, the 1 hour's working its way back up here on the 1 hour. So this last hour has done well. We'll see if we can actually come back up here into the 3.2. We're sitting at about roughly 3.18. So that's not too bad. You can see that where we'll hit probably some resistance here is at the 33. You can see that this marker up here, a lot of volume up here. So we could probably break out to the 33 marker, which would not surprise me if we actually had a nice little, that'd make a nice little swing trade up to about 4%. Nice little swing trade here before we probably, hit some resistance at the 33, which would be nice. I mean, we bought here at the 29,380 level. That would put us, if we hit that would put us about 13%. That would be nice. If we hit a 13% return, I mean, that would be really good, dude. Yeah, that'd be good, dude. Let's see here. Hello, what did it say? Expectations are high because it missed an entire bull run. That is true. That's a good statement, Adam. All I can hear is dun 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 dun. I just hear like the John Cena song Breakout. HBAR on Coinbase. Yeah, HBAR is on Coinbase. What's up, Shannon? Good to see you, buddy. There's so much liquidity at 3.6. If we break through that zone, we will likely hit 4 or 5. Yeah, it'd be nice. Anywhere up from that, like I said, from that 3.8, that 3.85 all the way up to 4.5 would be amazing. All right, Jack, I'm with you, dude. I used Kraken to buy my HBAR. I had to use Coinbase. Austin never loses. I try really hard not to lose, dude. I'm not saying I've never lost because trust me, I've lost, but I try really ultra hard not to lose a position. Oh my god, what is that song? That's the John Cena. John Cena. It's like dun 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 dun. That's the John Cena. Because he said that he brought up John Cena. Dips only bounce us higher. 100%, dude. What's your opinion on Ondo? I think Ondo's good, man. Like I said, I think that people that were buying, I was telling everyone that just to be careful of the potential sell off from the tokens being released, and there was a sell off, dude. Ondo definitely came down, but I definitely think that has subsided, and I think that they're working with XRP and Ripple can really help push Ondo to the next level. So Ondo at this moment is actually in a really, really good buy zone. XRP is starting to come up again now here, 213. I think people are starting to get a whiff of that ETF and that potential that brings. But Ondo is definitely one of those I would not probably sleep on, knowing that it's in a buying opportunity here. I thought I put up my fib on this one way back when for Ondo. I mean, now it's in a buy. Now it's in a buy. Ondo should have been bought back here and on the 18th, dude. That should have been when it got bought for Ondo. Yeah, XRP is looking nice right now. Last hour's looking good. What's up, Kokor? Ondo is one to watch for sure, dude. They have a ways to go. I mean, it's a DAO, right? So if you're into decentralization, that's all Ondo is about. Which of the three Austins are messaging me? Not me. I'm sorry if they keep messaging you. That kind of sucks. I hate that. Yeah, Ondo finance at 159. Yeah, Ondo. Yeah, Litecoin Rally, yeah, Litecoin's done really well. You know, Adam, I'm not a Cardano guy, dude. Yeah, 600% in a couple months isn't slow. I would agree. You talking about XRP, Sam? Caldwell. It's a psyop. I mean, hey man, a lot of people made some good money off of it. You were talking about that pure wallet the other day. When is it supposed to hit the market? Well, it's the pure wallet's already out. Like the actual wallet itself, the pure wallet's out. You can actually go download it. It has to it has to get hit. It's on testnet right now, so it has to wait for mainnet. But if you're talking about the token, the pre-sale is actually up and out there right now, and they haven't made an announcement on when exactly they're gonna launch the pre-sale or launch that side of it. So I think they're still allowing people to get in on it. Cool cat. It's no longer that kind of wall, dude. It's advanced from that. Cool cat. I give you that. At least it's back with NS Labs. Can't be too disappointed about that. I'm happier about that than anything. What's up, John? I heard that Trump and Alex Jones are secretly buying all the XRP. Hey, Corey, what's up, man? What's up, John? XXI, what's up, guys? Good to see you guys. Yes, okay, yeah, 600. Yeah, I mean, dude, XRP's been killing it. Good morning to you too. Yes, quant is a great play. Yeah, Trent likes his quant, man. ZCN should make the next XCN type moves. Okay, Tim Shea. We got Tim Shea in the house here. I have to look that up. I have to look up what ZCN. Why does that sound so familiar to me? Have we looked at that before, Tim? ZCN. That is when did that come out? Damn, dude, that came out a long time ago. ZCN. You can so the only centralized exchange you can buy it on is on Gate.io, but you can buy it on a DEX. It looks like it is Uniswap based crypto. That is a very, very small. Am I looking at the same ZZN as you called Zeus ZUS? That is extremely degen. Not sure, but it's been around. It has been around. It has been around, dude. Did you see the announcement? Yes, we were talking about this earlier, right here. Where'd it go? Yeah, this is great news for XRP, dude. Getting on an ETF would be fantastic. Yeah, Swift has made a lot of people move. Likes are free people. Appreciate you, man. Oh, cool cat. What's good? Yeah. What about Link? Yeah, Link's good, dude. Link's solid, man. Wall Street Pepe, I probably wouldn't touch it, bro. I'm gonna be honest with you, Holly. I wouldn't touch it. Can you go over the next breakout again? I just got here. We're just saying the breakout. It's by February. I'm saying by February 12th, we're gonna have a breakout. Would you quickly fib quant? Yeah, we could look at quant real quick. You think XRP could be very volatile when it's below 60, acting like a kid? Dude, when it was below 60, it was just very, very flat. You know what I mean? You mentioned being happy with 50% gains. How are you accounting your capital gains tax percentages when taking profit? Just 33%, dude. So when I take account, I'm just going to account for 33%. But, yeah, there you are, bro. I've missed you on TikTok, man. Jonathan, what's up, dude? Yeah, TikTok's been a little finicky, so I just stopped streaming over there because of them taking down the channel. So I was just like, you know what, we'll just not do it. 7K holding, damn, dude. You put 7K in Pepe Unchained. Wow, bro, that's crazy. Kudos to you, man. Decided to not look at any profits in this morning. I guess everything is still rocking. Yeah, they are. Let's see here. Pure robbery. Devin, what's robbery? Oh, you talking about Pepe Unchained? Good stuff today, Austin. Thanks, bud. Got to go. I appreciate you being here, Jam. Thanks so much, man. Austin, I bought 2 million mobile. It pumped and then went down a bit. Should I convert to another crypto? I mean, yeah, you could. I mean, it's going to be one of those ones that are going to be very unpredictable. Has low liquidity and all that stuff. So, yeah. We got Oscar Ramos in the house here, dude. Appreciate the $2, Oscar. Appreciate that a ton, man. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Yeah, appreciate that a ton, dude. Yeah, thanks for the $2 donation. Oscar, love your channel. Yeah, dude. Good old Oscar in the house here, man. Say what's up. Everyone say what's up to Oscar. What are your thoughts on XDC? I mean, XDC is pretty legit, dude. I like XDC. It's definitely down a lot, dude. Oh, dude, my arm just popped. Yeah, how we doing, chat? Yeah, good to see everyone in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, I haven't looked at XDC in a minute, dude. We can take a look at XDC real quick. Someone asked me about Caspa. Caspa's been doing really well too. A lot of these are going to do well. We're on the verge of a breakout, guys. XDC is another one of those. This is actually in a perfect buy zone. We flattened this out a long time ago. Again, you can see where it came down. Buying opportunities were over here at the 9 marker. We bounced back out of this thing in the last couple hours. Let's go to the 4-hour on this one. It makes it easier. But yeah, XDC is another one of these. You can actually buy XDC on Coinbase right now. Yeah, down about roughly 40% from this cycle's high. Can't beat that. Let's go to the day chart here. And you can sort of see where its all-time high was, sitting up here about 20 cents. So yeah, I mean, XDC is definitely one of those where a lot of people are in on it. So you can't really be upset about that. Let's see here. Just got someone hit me up with a message here real quick. Hold on. Oscar's always buying. Yeah, no, that's good, dude. XDC. Oh, XDC is not on coin. Well, I thought not XDC. What was the other one I was thinking about? XDC, not XDC. Oh, there was one on Coinbase that I was like, oh, it's on Coinbase. Not XDC. It was oh, what the hell? Which one was it? Oh my god, dude. I was just looking at the other day. It wasn't XDC. You're right. It wasn't XDC. Sorry, that's my bad. It was. Oh man. No, I mean, it wasn't XCN. I know XCN's on Coinbase. It wasn't XCN. There was another one on there I was thinking of. Maybe it was XCN I was thinking about. Yeah, maybe it was XCN. But I don't think it was X. I thought there was another one I was looking at. Let's see here. I'm going to go back through my recent history looking. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, XDC is dead. That's why I haven't been able to buy XDC. What do you think of Songbird? A lot of people here like Songbird. XYO. It could have been XYO. XYO, I think, is on Coinbase as well. Isn't XYO on Coinbase too? Maybe not. Yeah, XYO is on there too. Maybe it was XYO, something like that. It was X something. Let's see here. ACH going down. Yeah, be careful with ACH. Be careful with ACH. XYO is on Coinbase. Yeah, I'm thinking about Xlm right now. The second. Yeah. Well, we're gonna have another chart. We're gonna have a new chart here in about a minute, in about 20 minutes. So 25 minutes, we're gonna have another. But yeah, mobile's down pretty hard, dude. This is one of those ones that's really hard. Just to let everyone know, this one's really hard to navigate because there's just low volume. Again, I don't hold a lot of mobile. This is just kind of that's kind of like a old school DGen play back in the day. Yeah, XLM's making some moves right now. I hope we can get back above this 382 level would be nice. We're still hovering around this right now. Hbar is trying to make a nice little comeback here. Told you guys it was going to hit about the 382 level. We go back to the 4-hour here, or the 12-hour here. We had a nice little fair value gap that it filled up, and then we bounced back nicely here. Yeah, you can see right here, there's another little fair value gap right there. But this is actually come up pretty nice here for Hbar. It would be nice to get back to the 3.2 level, which would be super good, and then bounce back up here into the 3.3 for Hbar. Jasmine's cooling off. Well, Jasmine's pumped pretty hard. You know what I mean? Why doesn't anyone talk about Jed kept dumping billions of XRP, and the judge would tell him to stop, and he'd do it again? I have no idea, dude. Xlm will be much higher price in the future. Yeah, it'll do well. Good question, Supwa. I don't know, man. Superwa. We all know the stocks we talk about. Hash flow seems like a great buy. Yeah. I don't know anything about hash flow. Happy Tuesday, all expecting a rip. Happy Thursday. I said Tuesday. IMO, what's up, dude? 345 XRP by tomorrow. That would be nice. We'll see what happens. I mean, I think people are getting excited about this closed door meeting. I don't think anything's actually come out about it. So let's see here. Yeah. I don't think there's actually any news. Let's go here. I don't think there's been any updates to South Dakota rep introduces bill to make permanent state to. Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. You see right there, South Dakota introduces a bill to permit the state of South Dakota to invest in Bitcoin. That would be pretty badass. I'd be on board with something like that. Oh yeah, I was going to show this right here. You can see right here. This is the bull zones for the previous bulls. So we had the break zone, you got the break zone, and now you got the bull zones. So we are right in the beginning of the bull zone, guys. This is a big zone that we're going to hit right here. Again, timeline, I don't know, but we're going to hit a nice little rally. Like the breakthrough is coming, guys. Cardano implemented a hard fork last night. Yeah, every time that they actually implement a hard fork, it doesn't do as well as we all think it's going to. That's the only thing about Cardano. Every time that we think that there's going to be something positive, it just doesn't perform. Buy the facts, not the rumors. Yeah, there's a lot of positivity around the SEC thing today for sure. But I think that's where Grayscale filed for an SEC thing today. So, I mean, there's got to be some validity to it, right? I mean, you're not going to go file for an SEC for Grayscale, which is one of the largest companies out there. It's not going to go file for an ETF if there wasn't going to be some positivity behind that. So there's that as well. I mean, you got to think this ETF is big, right? This is a big freaking deal right now. I mean, that's super bullish, bro. Now, if BlackRock comes out and opens up an ETF, dude, then you know shit's really gonna hit. Also, any idea where I can sell a kidney? Yeah, you got to go to like Thailand for that. Arizona did the same thing. They proposed a Bitcoin reserve for the state. Oh, that's pretty cool, dude. Okay. Yeah. You bought Farcoin at the peak. I'm cooked. Yeah, you got to be careful with that. Yeah, you got to be careful with that. Yeah, only bullish once you can buy. Yeah, if the ETF comes out, it's gonna be nice, dude, for sure. So there was these three main points that people wanted to put out here for XRP. I forgot to share this earlier. It says obviously an ETF launching. This could be huge for XRP. You being a part of the U.S. Strategic Reserve will be big. And the cool part here that a lot of people are not realizing is that XRP is outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see year to date they're up 48.61%. Bitcoin's up about 12.48%, and you can see right here that Ethereum's actually down 3.32%. So, I mean, it's nice to sort of see that XRP is continually outperforming the top cryptos. We do know that eventually they're going to be a part of the U.S. Strategic Reserve, and we do know for a fact that they're going to probably have the SEC case dropped, and they're going to be an ETF. One thing here that everyone's hoping for, there's some optimism about XRP adoption by Elon Musk. It says the XRP ledger became the blockchain used by Elon Musk Department of DOGE, Department of Government Efficiency under the Donald Trump administration. Recall that Elon is leading the DOGE initiative, which is exploring blockchain technology to modernize the federal operation, which again would be awesome if they did use some form of blockchain that's already out there, that's fast, secure, and has a lot of things to, could do well. So again, whether they use XRP as that, I don't know, but there is some optimism towards that. So that's kind of cool too. So there's just a lot of positive things behind XRP. As much as people want to be negative about it, I do think there's a lot more positivity that outweighs that. Yo, Austin, I have 130K long on XRP. Any thoughts when to take profits? Every 2 cents XRP moves, I make about $600. Should I close at $5? When's your expiration on the contract, Epic Gaming? Do you have like an expiration on that? When does it expire? When to Breakout come? What is the expected peak? We said anywhere from 385 to 450 for XRP. And again, I don't think this is going to be the height of the bull. This is not the height of the bull market. This is in March. We'll have a little bit of a sell off going into the FOMC meeting unless some positivity comes out. But a lot of people like Tangent Wallet, and then there's the hash pack. Oh man, I'm tired from yesterday. Yesterday, man, kicked my butt, dude. But the hash pack is good for HBAR. Yeah, denial iOS. Dude, John, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If John gifted you a membership, please say thank you to John. Dude, appreciate that a ton, man. And really, really appreciate that. And yeah, those 5 new members, welcome to the A team. Appreciate you guys being here. Yeah, I love your tandem, but I got to get a tandem. I got to at least test it out. Austin, in a capitalist world, people naturally gravitate more to effective and cheaper products. What's your thoughts in the years to come that ETH becomes a store of value instead? That's a good question, man. I don't know. You know what I mean? It's a store of value for me right now. Like I said, it's kind of just been sideways. Since it's gone up from my average price of like 750 to where it's at right now, it's kind of just been flat. So you know, ETH, yeah, I don't know. They're going to probably continue to work and try to make it more cost effective. That's all I could think about. Did you ever find your child's pin? Hype still, I did not. I did not find it. So kind of bummed about that. But we did find a store on Etsy that can make pins for you. And so we're going to send them a photo of the pin because we do have a photo of the pin. And they're going to hopefully recreate it. And then we could, we have it again. I mean, it's not the original pin, but I mean, at least it's still there from a memorable standpoint. So yeah, I think fans going to actually do that. So it's kind of cool. Austin, no expiration. It's just I can keep it as long as I want. Oh, nice, dude. So you don't have, that's actually pretty cool to see. Just have to pay the funding fees, which are about 0.001 every 8 hours. Okay. So they're doing that one. Okay. So yeah, you have to pay the funding fees on it. That's a pretty good amount too. If you have $130,000 in there or $110,000, I mean, shit, just even $100,000, you're paying 0.01 funding fee. You're paying $1,000 every 8 hours. Jesus, bro, dude. That could actually get expensive. How much are you up on it right now, dude? Those gas fees on ETH get crazy. Oh, they do too. ETH is a pure scam. I was waiting for Digi to come in. Gotta go. Pleasure. Hey, you too. Who let the dojo out? Appreciate you being here, man. I had some ETH, had to buy some XCN. Anyone who says BTC will fail cannot be. There's no way BTC fails, dude. Isn't there a huge gas fee on Hashpack for Hedera? Not that I'm aware. I don't know. I've never used it, dude. Any thoughts on Crow? Crow. I don't know, man. I feel like Crow is just kind of like dead in the water. Nothing against it. I just wish that Crow would do more. Ever since I guess I already have Crow up here. Where is Crow on here? Right there. Is that Crow? Crow right there. Crow's, I mean, it's always been a rough ride with Crow, and be honest with you guys, dude. You like want it to perform well, but for some reason it's like, this is the downfall of Crow, right? When they took all the benefits away from it, it came crashing down to 5 cents, and it's built back up right now to 13. But I mean, even if you think about if you bought at 5 cents, you're up, you're a little up over 100%, right? Where you're at right now. So it's kind of, like I said, it's kind of just been a little bit of a I don't know, man. They got to do a lot more on the Crow system to make it better, dude. XRP broke and came right back. Yeah, it's starting to battle up a little bit here. We'll continue to battle. As long as we keep battling, we have about 15 minutes until we get a new 4 hour. So that's going to be nice to see. New 4 hour can help spark this. Right now, we're at a true It's almost a doji candle right now. So it's undecided, really undecided on where it wants to go. So Austin still hasn't watched Rig from the start. Through all my your H bar trade Crow for H bar for real. Oh, did you really? Yeah, I sold my H bar. I sold my Crow a long time for. I actually took a loss in Crow. Crow was like one of my first losses in crypto. Thank you. You're great, Austin. Keep it up. Been tuning in a lot. Oh, appreciate the denial. $2 trillion market cap is insane. It is a lot, right? $2 trillion market caps. It is insane. But eventually things will get caught up. No, it's only 0.001 on my margin. Oh, okay. I was like, geez, which is about 35K. I've had it open 6 days or so. Been scaling it down. My entry is about 310 so far. I've paid about 137 XRP in funding. Damn, bro, that's pretty good, dude. You have pretty good. That's pretty good, dude. You're up pretty damn good right now. I mean, I think I definitely see it probably. I mean, right now we're on a nice little run. I mean, I would be, and things are actually looking pretty good. We have the stock market that's actually coming back right now. S&P 500 volatile traders. At Nasdaq's up almost 40 points right now. The good thing here too is that if you look at the earnings that are going to be coming out today, you got some earnings coming out today. Apple probably is going to have some positive earnings. They always have positive earnings falling because they probably had really good sales with their iPhone, the new iPhone that came out. So we'll see that along with Visa. I'm sure Visa probably made some good money, as the banking industry did show that they made some good money. So I'm sure Visa probably killed it this quarter right here. But that's just my thoughts. And again, I think that overall the cryptocurrency market is probably going to trend upward or continue to trend upward. You know, it's up to you, man. But I probably, I don't know. I feel like a gambling man today. I'd probably have some fun with it because it's already looking like we're going well. We could at least go up here back into the three, at least retest the 315, if not get back into the 318. But we'll see. We seem to test this like 315 area a lot and then come back down. So maybe there's going to be some positive news with the SEC coming out today. Maybe we'll have some good news with the SEC. I mean, really good news with the grayscale. So you staked on hashback percentage of APY. Okay. Some whale just purchased XLM. Also, I appreciate all I've learned from you finding this YouTube a few weeks ago. Oh, Julie, I appreciate you being here. Thanks so much for the kind words too. Yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Hedera is known for low gas fees. Yeah, they definitely are. And they just signed a deal, right? Xlm's finally going to break out. Yeah, it's looking like it's already it's tested this 382 level. It went all the way up to about 44, 44.28, and it's come back down. So it seems like when we've retested this area a couple times now and been rejected at 382. Right here, we got it rejected, came down pretty hot. So yeah, if we break through this level, this is a really big level of resistance right here at the 4.4. So we'll see if we can break through it. Last time we hit it, we got rejected and came back down. And right now we did get rejected at, let's see, what hour was that? We got rejected every hour over the last 4 hours except the last hour. So now here we are. If we could break through it, which we're slowly breaking through, I think you're right. We could probably test. We could probably get back up into these levels, which would be freaking awesome. H-bar signed with Ondo. Yeah, and I think they just signed with like some company over in India too. 538 bull flag on XRP. All right. What's up, good? What's up, Augustine? What's up, D5? Smash that like. Appreciate you, man. They were trying to keep it low, but as much as possible, XRP is going to go to 30, in my opinion. You think $30? As a noob, I really appreciate your content, all the insight. Oh, Mike, appreciate that, man. Tim Shea, appreciate you, dude. So are we not expecting any more drops in price? I mean, we'll probably have some volatility. I mean, yeah, there's going to be a big, there's going to be some ups and downs. I mean, these are just some good swing opportunities, right? A lot of these are swing opportunities. I said earlier today, I think when I started the stream, I said that, I think we started the stream. I was like, yeah, this could be a good opportunity for a swing trade on XRP today, which was right here. It went down to 3.9, right? We started the stream at like 3.9. and it's already gone up to 314, 315. It's already, man, you could already made a little bit of a swing on that. Do you think my position has any effect on the price? No, I don't. Appreciate you, Austin. Always stay consistent, my guy. I try to. It kind of sucks missing a day yesterday. I missed the day yesterday. It was kind of tough. So, bro, no way I'm up 2 cents on XRP. Hey, man, get it, Austin Dubs. Get that dub. Best channel in this genre. Oh, appreciate you, Josh. Thanks, man. With all the ETFs, what's your new price prediction for how the summer will go? I think we're going to do great, Lag. I've been saying I'm going to stay consistent with my message. Is I think we're going to continue to do well. ETFs are going to bring a whole new life to a lot of these cryptos. You know what I mean? Like a whole new life. We're gonna basically, everyone's gonna be able to move eventually everyone's gonna be able to move their cryptos into, or their retirements into these cryptos, just like they would any other stock. This is where you get the crypto news. Thanks so much for your time and genuine info. Oh, Bobby Hobbies, thanks so much, man. I appreciate that. I had a dream this morning that XRP went to the 12, 16, and 16. Dude, that'd be awesome. MC, I'd be with you on that, bro. Mashburn, dude, thanks so much for gifting 5 memberships to the A team. If Mashburn gifted you a membership, please say thank you to Mashburn. And yeah, welcome to the A team. Again, appreciate that a ton. How dare you take a day off? Right, Intrigue? How dare you? Who am I? How dare you? I'm new to crypto, but this is my favorite YouTube channel. Oh, I appreciate that, Kyler. Thank you so much. What do you feel about this upcoming new white paper on XCN? I don't know enough about it, John. Seems like a lot of people here like XCN, dude. Maybe I should freaking look at XCN more. Get you guys my better thoughts on it. They have to keep saying they got something coming, something new every month, just to keep people staying. True, very true. Hey, thanks for everything, Austin. I'm out. All right, Billion, I appreciate your $2 donation, bro, and all you do, man. Thank you so much, dude. Hey, Austin, buy XCN. The Economic Ninja let me know about it and bought at 0.0014. That's great, dude. I'm super happy for you guys. Sup, A team? How's it going, Austin? Any signs of Dave? No signs of Dave, Batchman. No signs of Dave. Yeah, Greta Thunberg. It's like burned in my brain. Oh, really? The Economic Ninja sent you here? Wow, dude, that's awesome. That's cool, DM. I didn't know that he even knew who I was. But it sounds like, I mean, he's made some pretty good calls. I mean, he called out the XCN, and I think everyone said that he called out the ACH. So that's pretty badass. Got to give him some kudos for that, man. Being on top of that kind of stuff and helping that wave, dude. Making people money in the space is a really cool thing. So, oh, dude, that's awesome. I didn't even know that, man. I'll probably have to check him out. Like I said, I don't watch too many people's content, dude. You guys know that. I don't watch a whole lot of people in the space. Maybe I'll have to go check out his content. Oh, that's good, dude. That's cool to hear. Well, I appreciate that. Well, let him know when you go watch him. Let him know I said thank you. The award for keeping a straight face today goes to Austin when someone asked if 6XRP would make them good money. I mean, it could make you good money. I don't know. You know, that's funny though. That is actually, I didn't know. I didn't want to like derail. That's a tough question, dude. You never watched the Crypto Lifer? No. Cheese sauce. I don't watch a whole lot, dude. I'm so busy. It's crazy. I'm so busy with everything going on. I don't have time to watch a lot of people. Between like, making sure I have like my live streams with you guys, obviously family and kids and things like that. And then just all the things I have in the afternoon, trying to make content, being in Discord, doing things for that kind of, yeah, it's a lot, dude. There's a lot. Algorand even a good asset? Algorand looks good, dude. I appreciate you, Sam. Thanks, dude. XRP is about to break. Look at it. Yeah, XRP is looking pretty good. It's up 13 right now. So yeah, I mean the long's looking pretty good right now. Hopefully you make some good money on that long position. Oscar says all you need is 2000 XRP to be rich. Yeah, there was an article that came out about that, about the 2000 XRP puts you in the top 10% of all holders. So that's pretty good. You should check it out live every day without fail at 10. Oh, at 10 Eastern Standard Time. Cheese sauce. XRP got my damn cheese sauce. Why can Americans not leverage spot trade on a Coinbase? Yeah, good question, dude. Good question. I have no idea why. That is a really good question, though. At 500 XRP, heck yeah, dude. Regina, XLM pushing through again. Is it finally pushing through? There we go. Yeah, 44. Yeah, so we could probably get to new levels here. I guess our next level is to break this 448. The 448 is the level to break, right? If we don't break down and come back down from here, so very good at TA. Okay, yeah, I'll have to check them out. Crypto Lifer. There's a handful, you know what I mean? I have tuned into Oscar a couple times now. So what's up to him? I'll have to check out Economic Ninja. I haven't ever watched him. And then you said Crypto Lifer, so I'll have to check him out too. Okay. Appreciate you guys, dude. XCN's pumping. Tima, what's up, Charles? Wait for Charles to come in here with the Tima update. Charles, thanks so much for the £5. Tima has been holding strong. Soon will break out and cross all-time highs. I'm giving airdrops of another coin to holders every month. Well, I appreciate your donation to the channel. You were pretty consistent with it, and I do appreciate that. And I think there's people here that could definitely, probably, maybe, I don't know, hold it or not. But yeah, thanks so much, dude. We got you, homie. I appreciate that. Lifer is a great energy, never missed a day in several years. That's pretty badass. Thanks, Gary. That's kudos to him, man. I tried to go a whole year, and what year was that? 2023? No, 2022. I think it was 2022 or something like that. I tried to do a whole year, and then I got the vid, dude. Got the COVID, and yeah, got sick as hell, dude. And then my channel got taken down. It got taken down for a week for some reason, and then it kind of knocked me off. My kind of derailed everything. Ninja knows his stuff. Oh, that's cool, dude. That's super cool. Austin, talk about the lawsuit being over today, that meeting behind closed doors. Yeah, we talked about it, John. We were talking about it earlier about it potentially. That would be fantastic. If it does that, that'd be so crazy. Oh, you learned a lot from Crypto Lifer. That's good, dude. No, that's good. There's a lot of there's a lot of people here that probably do really, really good content. Is Quant better than Hyperliquid? Hyperliquid's been killing it. Hyperliquid, Austin. I own 29.8 XRP. You'll keep building, man. Keep building that XRP. What is retirement amount of XRP? I guess 2,000 XRP is what is that what Oscar's saying? We're pushing. We have 2 more minutes for the 4 hour to turn over. Let's go to the 4 hour chart here on XLM. XLM seems to be rallying up past that level. XRP is hovering around that 413 marker. I'll probably go with you, fan. 313. We just pumped over 313 for that. H bar is almost above 3, about 32 cents, which would be great, right? 32 cents. So we got a nice little end of the 4 hour coming in here in about 1 minute. So got crypto info a few months ago. I appreciate the channel. Oh, Tad, thank you for being here, man. James, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And yeah, welcome. Make sure you guys get in that Discord. We'll see what this next 4 hour brings here. We got less than 30 seconds for this next 1 hour. See what it brings. It'll be nice to bring a good flow to the next 4 hours here. XRP Future Millionaires is my favorite. You are a very close second, Austin. Check him out. Okay, XRP Future Millionaire. All right, I'll check him out. B. The Ninja knows a lot about real estate and metals too. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, I didn't know that. If I hold 20K in XRP, I'll be able to retire. That's what they're saying. So they're saying, here's the new 4-hour right now. I'm on XLM right now because XLM is actually doing a nice little breakthrough. XRP is not messing around either at 213.12. Who is the goofiest crypto tuber in your opinion? I don't watch a lot of them, dude. You guys have to tell me. Your channels got taken down because you said a naughty thing. What is that? Is that why you think? Is that why? Hello from Thailand. Fantastic. Oh, James, dude, that's awesome from Thailand, dude. No, they never told me why I got taken down. I only can assume why I did. But yeah, other than that, I don't know, dude. Yeah, XRP is coming down a little bit, and just started. So let's see if HBAR can get to that 32 level. Would be nice. That's all the crypto buys, rumor, sell, the news crew. There's a lot of buy the rumor, sell the news. Dude, Rhode Island, thanks so much for becoming a member of the A team. You're officially now a member of the channel. Welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. You're now officially part of the A team. What's your retirement of HBAR, dude? I think HBAR. I mean, how long do we have to retire? Are we talking 30 years? Are we talking like 30 years from now, or like retire like 10 years? What are we doing? Can we see the settings of the volume range indicator? Yeah, here you go. It's just oh, you're saying you want to see the settings of this? Oops. Yeah, you can see the settings if you want. There's my inputs. I only have 1K in HBAR. Hey man, you never know what can happen, dude. Oh, appreciate that, ATX. Road Dog Crypto. There's a lot of people out here. You guys need to all collaborate and do a live show. Zach, Ramos, Levi, and you, Austin. That's probably the hard part, getting a bunch of people together. You know what I mean? 10 years. Okay, if people are looking for 10 years. 10 years, I think you guys could do really good. I watch those channels. Crypto Life for Awesome Austin, More Crypto Online. Tom Crown. Yeah, Tom Crown's good. I like Tom Crown. He's probably one of the few that I actually watch. Austin, make fun of Kitty. What are you talking about? So, all right, guys, with all that, I'm going to actually hop off here. We actually look like we're doing pretty good here in the last hour. The stock market closes here in about 1 hour. And we are going to have our earnings call today. So as you guys can see right here, Visa and Apple are going to be closing. They're going to be putting out their earnings today. I do think that we're going to continue to do well here in the market. So we're probably hopefully going to go into Friday looking pretty good, having some good spot trading coming up here. Like I said, there's some good entry points earlier this morning. If you want to get on some swing trades, things are looking positive right now, and I hope we continue to have a nice little trend. So yeah, again, appreciate all the new members that came on here. Appreciate all the donations, all of you guys being here today. Thank you so much for kicking it with me. It was nice to get back here and streaming today. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be streaming tonight. We do have soccer today up there, so I'll try to put out some content before then. But yeah, with all that, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks for all the love and support. And with all that, we're out. Love you guys. Peace.